Taoiseach, your programme for government commits to ensuring that sufficient supports are in place for mortgage holders who have repayment difficulties, and conscious of all your commentary while you were in opposition. The Central Bank Governor and the European Banking Agency have clarified that interest does not have to be charged on 80,000 mortgages that have taken a payment break due to COVID-19 once the amount is less than 1% of the entire interest bill. Other European countries have acted on this and have put in place certain strategies, interest breaks, payment breaks, etc. Because over the lifetime of a mortgage, this can have significant costs to mortgage holders, thousands and thousands of euros. We have a private member's motion tonight to stop the banks from charging penalties and surcharges. So I'm asking quite clearly, given the statement of the Central Bank, given the statement of the EBA, given the clarifications, and given what you and all your colleagues have said previously on similar type issues, what are your plans now immediately to ensure that mortgage holders won't be charged thousands of excessive euros? What are you going to put in place to prevent this from happening?
First of all, the European Banking Authority have clarified the situation in terms of the application of interest, in terms of payment breaks that people have received from the banks. So it's worth pointing out about 140,000 payment breaks have been issued. I think about 78,000 mortgage. So these have been popular initiatives that a lot of people have availed of and have found very helpful. The Minister for Finance will now engage with the banks in relation to this latest clarification from the EBA and the comments of the Central Bank Governor. And the key issue before this, in terms of the pre-existing banking rules, was around making sure that the creditworthiness of individuals wasn't impaired by availing of these particular schemes. And another key principle at the outset was that banks would not profit from these forbearance measures. So the Minister of Finance will be actively engaging and is reviewing this now in the light of the statements by the EBA.